Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to unpair Bluetooth earphone to our Realme phone. Guys, you want to unpair guys this Bluetooth earphone to your phone, so as you can unpair. And guys, now let's see how to unpair Bluetooth earphone to our Realme phone. Guys, in this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So friends, now let's see how to unpair it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to unpair this earphone. Then guys, you can see your Bluetooth setting. So guys, tap here, and guys, you can see guys, we have paired this. You won't see L20, and guys, now we will unpair it. So guys, right side guys, you can see this icon. Tap here guys, disconnect and unpair option. So guys, you want to disconnect, you want to unpair. So guys, as I told you, we will unpair it. So guys, click on unpair, then it will unpair. Then guys, you can see this red light went it has unpaired. So we will off it guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth earphone to our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Bye bye friends.